The timing of the rear flap depends on the carton opening speed. Then switch to jog mode. Then watch it here in real time. The rear flap's critical point needs to match the short side. Matches this one on the short side. When the short side folds to 90 degrees, slightly past the flap's critical point, the rear flap should fold. It cannot be too fast or too slow. This timing is adjusted on the touchscreen. Enter parameter setting 1. Here, you can choose flap advance or delay. Now check if the timing matches. Now, it's clearly too slow. The rear flap only folds after the short side has moved too far. Now, adjust the parameters on the touchscreen. Enter parameter setting 1. Currently it's on delay. Long press 1 second to switch to advance. Set advance to 8, then observe again. The goal is for the rear flap to fold immediately after the short side passes the critical point. That's about it now. The current speed is 10 cartons per minute. If the speed changes to 20 cartons per minute, the flap timing may change and needs readjustment. Now it's too fast. The rear flap folds before the short side is fully folded. Adjust it again in parameter settings 1. Advance the 1/8 of maybe too fast. Change it to 5 and observe. All adjustments are done according to the actual conditions. 5 is still slightly fast. Reduce it to 2. That's about it. Now the short side is slightly past the flap, and the rear flap folds immediately. This adjustment depends on the carton opening speed, cartons per minute. From the initial 8 to the current 2, all values are adjusted based on actual conditions.